To add the blur effect in Canva, I will come over to my photo editor. You want to upload the photo if you don't have it already in Canva. But I have my own photo. And if I click on this image, it will open up in this interface. I will click on create a new design to create it as a design. Our design is opened up in the editor. You can see here that it's selected edit image. You want to scroll down to effect and click on the blur, and you have whether you want to blur the whole image. But I click on the whole image and start to add my blur intensity, you'll see the blur start to take effect. But if I go to brush, I can choose my brush size. Let's go back to the whole image and take out the whole blur. And let's come back to brush. If I want my brush size to be 100, so I apply my blur first. I want my blur intensity to be 100. You just tap on it to blur, or you blur like this. We don't want what is here to be seen. If at any point you want to remove blur, you can click on the remove blur.